Hello, adventurous allies. Captain Create here. A little while ago, one of my friends found a bunch of asparagus while opening a blind bag. I see a spear, fighting, or I can't think of any angry vegetables. Let's see what it is. Ooh, oh, look, it's an asparagus bunch. Oh, and look how cute, it has a tiny little rope. That's awesome, I love it. But how many of you even know what asparagus is?
Me, what is that?
Asparagus is a delicious and nutritious vegetable. And when I say delicious, I mean it. You can roast them, grill them, eat them raw, and more.
Oh, that looks yummy.
But I'm getting ahead of myself. Asparagus is also super nutritious. It gives you lots of vitamins like A, C, E, B vitamins like riboflavin, thiamine, folate, and minerals too, like potassium.
Wow, that's a lot.
What makes it even better is that you can find it yourself because asparagus grows in the wild. Crikey! Nah, not that kind of wild, but just outside depending on where you live. You just have to know where to look. So I've asked some friends for help.
Hi kids, my name is Kara and I am Captain Create's friend. And I have some friends with me today. This is Addie and Avery, and they have come out to the field with Addie and Julie to pick asparagus. Did you know that wild asparagus grows in fields that farmers have? It grows in hay fields and it grows in ditches. So that asparagus that you find at the store could have came from a farmer's field. We're gonna learn some stuff today, right guys? Okay, let's go.
Asparagus is ready for picking in the spring, which is a great time to get outside.
I found one!
Addie, how do we know if that asparagus is good to eat?
Because it doesn't have tubes all over it.
I see you holding scissors. Are you gonna cut it with scissors?
Then you snap it so it's smaller.
Why don't you eat the long stem?
Because it's woody.
It's
hard to eat.
Addie just found us a huge asparagus. This one is probably from a plant that's been here a while. Maybe it's been here 15 years. See how round it is?
Asparagus plants can keep growing spears for 10 to 20 years.
That's older than me.
Hey, good job, guys. Did you just find some more?
Yeah. 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3.
3 pieces right together? Awesome.
And then these ones are seeded out.
So the seeded out ones, do you cut them or do you leave them?
You cut them and then they'll grow back as good ones.
Sounds good.
All seeded out. And if it's seeded out, it tastes crunchy, so you don't like them.
You want to pick those seeded ones out to the bottom. That way they'll come back next year and be fresh asparagus, right?
Mm-hmm.
Did you find another one, guys? Let's see.
Yeah.
That looks like a good one. What's your favorite part about hunting for asparagus?
Eating it afterwards.
What about you, Julie?
It's kind of like a little scavenger hunt.
It is like a scavenger hunt. That's awesome.
Put that in my bag. Put that in my bag. Put in the bag. I found 3. Oh, there's another one. Oh, yeah, there's one. Here. This one does snap this way.
The spears grow back about every 5 days, so don't forget where you found them, because I guarantee you'll want more.
So sometimes they don't look exactly like what you see in the store, but they're still fresh and good.
You still eat them even if they look a little bit different?
Yeah,
Why does that one look different?
because it went a little bit seeded, but it's still good.
Okay, thanks for the tip. It's getting so warm and these kids are ready to go home and cook asparagus.
The best part of harvesting asparagus is eating it.
I like the crispy toast.
Weren't those great tips? I'm excited to find my own asparagus because it is so good. That's good. So go on your own asparagus scavenger hunt, or just find some at the market or store. Check out the links below for some awesome recipes, and don't forget to subscribe to Captain Create.